Did you know that every single day, 250 seniors start losing their eyesight, and they never even see it coming? It's not just age, it's something much sneakier happening while you sleep. Stick around, because I'm about to reveal 7 bedtime fruits that reverse eye damage naturally, repair your vision overnight, and even boost eye health without the need for surgeries or medications. Every day, seniors struggle with blurry vision, dry eyes, and difficulty reading, often thinking it's just part of aging. But here's the truth. The real culprit behind these vision problems is nighttime eye damage, and 99% of people have no idea it's happening. Meanwhile, companies are cashing in on $56 billion in vision drugs, supplements, and surgeries that don't solve the root problem. Why? Because they profit more if your eyes stay weak. But there's good news. Certain fruits contain powerful compounds that can regrow damaged photoreceptors, repair your oxygen-starved retinas, and even reverse early vision loss by 33% in just 6 weeks, according to a 2023 study in Ophthalmology Reports. In this video, we'll break down 7 bedtime fruits that naturally trigger overnight eye repair while you sleep, ranked from helpful to life-changing. And guess what? Fruit number 1 contains a rare compound that can delay cataracts by up to 41%, and you're probably throwing it away without knowing it. Before we dive in, tell us in the comments, how old are you and where are you watching from? Have you noticed any changes in your vision lately? We read and reply to every single comment with personalized advice. Fruit number 7, kiwi. Kiwi may be small and fuzzy, but it packs a punch when it comes to vision repair. As we age, oxidative damage to the retina can cause cells to break down. Kiwi is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, which concentrate directly in the retina to protect your photoreceptors from nighttime damage. A 2022 study found that seniors who ate 2 golden kiwis an hour before bed saw a 19% improvement in night vision sharpness and less eye dryness by morning. So how to eat them? Don't peel them fully. Keep the thin layer of skin intact to preserve caffeic acid, a powerful antioxidant. Fruit number 6, watermelon. Watermelon isn't just for summer, it's a vision-healing powerhouse, perfect for overnight eye hydration. The issue it addresses is retinal dehydration, a hidden problem that worsens with age. As you sleep, your eyes lose moisture, especially in dry climates. Watermelon, packed with lycopene, helps repair UV damage and improve circulation behind the retina. A 2021 study showed that eating 2 cups of watermelon daily for 8 weeks improved ocular blood flow and reduced retinal thinning in seniors. Try eating 1 to 2 cups 30 minutes before bed for hydrated, refreshed eyes by morning. Before we dive into the next fruit, if you're enjoying these tips, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss out on more powerful, natural remedies for better vision. Fruit number 5, black currants. Black currants are often overlooked, but they're a secret weapon for eye regeneration, especially for floaters or early macular degeneration. They're loaded with anthocyanins, which reduce retinal inflammation and help regenerate rod cells needed for night vision. A 2020 trial found that seniors who consumed black currant extract daily saw a 35% improvement in dark adaptation and fewer halos around lights. For the best results, try eating half a cup of fresh black currants before bed, or use freeze-dried black currant powder in your bedtime smoothie. Fruit number 4, blueberries. Blueberries are everywhere, but did you know the way you eat them matters? They fight oxidative damage to your photoreceptors, which erodes your ability to see fine details and adapt to darkness. Blueberries are rich in pterosterline, a compound that directly reduces DNA damage in the retina. In a 2023 study, seniors who ate wild blueberries daily saw a 32% improvement in visual acuity and less squinting at night. For maximum benefit, eat wild blueberries, not the bigger store varieties, about 45 minutes before bed, and don't pair them with dairy. Fruit number 3, dragon fruit. Dragon fruit, especially the red flesh variety, is a game changer for oxygenating your eyes. It helps with retinal hypoxia, a lack of oxygen in your eye tissues that accelerates aging and affects peripheral vision. Rich in betaines, dragon fruit boosts nitric oxide production, widening blood vessels to bring more oxygen and nutrients to your eyes. A 2022 study found a 26% increase in ocular oxygen levels after consuming red dragon fruit for 6 weeks. Eat half a red dragon fruit 60 to 90 minutes before bed for stronger, healthier eyes. Fruit number 2, goji berries. Goji berries have been used in traditional Chinese medicine for over 2,000 years to heal aging eyes. Modern science confirms that they target macular thinning, a leading cause of blurred central vision. Goji berries are rich in zeaxanthin, a pigment that protects the macula, your center of vision. A 2021 study showed that seniors who ate 5 tablespoons of dried goji berries daily experienced increased macular pigment density and no progression of macular degeneration. Soak 2 tablespoons of dried goji berries in warm water and eat them 30 minutes before bed for optimal eye repair. Fruit number 1, papaya. Papaya is the ultimate fruit for total eye repair. It tackles glycation, a process that causes blurry vision and cataracts. Rich in papain, an enzyme that breaks down glycation products, papaya can help prevent cloudy lenses and improve tear production. A 2023 study found that seniors who ate papaya regularly showed improved contrast vision and reduced cataract progression in just 6 weeks. Eat 1 cup of ripe papaya 1 hour before bed for the best results, and avoid pairing it with dairy. Let me know in the comments, which fruit will you try first? Or if you've tried any before, tell us your experience. Subscribe, like, and share this video to help others restore their vision naturally.